Join us as we preview the 2022 CBS show here at the Hunter Library. Welcome everybody. This is just a quick sneak preview of the CBS show this weekend at the Hunter Library. Everything's not set up yet, but it gives you an idea of what you should expect to see here. Let me just do a quick. I'm going to come back on Sunday to do a final review of the show, but just give you an idea. We got a beautiful cork oak right as you walk in. Another lovely, another big tree is a Hinoki cypress. As spring is kind of coming through the corner here, we do have this cedar elm, really a native from Texas. We got some blank spots here. You can see, let me turn pan here. You got some blank spots here. We have some people coming in. It's kind of late in the day at this point. This is actually Friday afternoon. So shows tomorrow starting at 10 o'clock through 4 o'clock. Here at the Hunter Library, you do need to get regular admission and get in if you're not a member. And then, of course, if you're a part of the society, you should have an email about how to get into the Hunter Library. This is a beautiful juniper. You guys see this accent? I thought this accent was fake. It looks like one of those, what do you call those? Paper mache. It looks so fake. I had to stare for a couple minutes here. We got some really classic, almost an olive, a twin trunk olive there. Beautiful tree. Look at the structure. Let me go out and do up close here. Really different. Very well padded tree for the springtime. Let me turn around here. Again, we're still doing the setup phase. I just want to give an idea of what people should be seeing here. What a quick cork bark elm there. The shadows are kind of cool. You gotta admit, the shadows are as we're coming around the corner here in spring here, really middle of spring here in Southern California. You see a lot of our trees have really been leafed out already. Some of you guys in the Midwest are still probably on the East Coast are probably starting repotting. Some of your trees are not probably at this stage yet. Here we go, blank spot there. Here's a Japanese maple. And then, of course, we got a person displaying some shohi. Look at this shohi, it's really cool. Very nice display, well put together. Let me zoom into some of these. This is a very interesting specimen here. Look carefully. This quince has 2 different colors, and it's variegated. I'll get a chance. You see, the white ones are in the white in front, reds in the back, and then this one right here is variegated. Okay. Let me say I can get a better shot on Sunday. We got another blank spot here. We got another elm. Full leafed out. It's very beautiful. Look at it. It's really, we gotta get down low. Look at that tree. Of course, classic California juniper. Let me step back, get the whole view. Oops, USB there. Whole view. Of course, we got a nice padded dwarf myrtle tree.
It looks like a flower.
And then, of course, we got this giant olive here.
Container.
I love how we'll talk about that on Sunday when I come back to do a formal. I love how those 2 really match in shape.
Is that the tree? No, that's not. Is that the tree you had in the winter sunlight? Yeah.
And the last one that we have so far is right there. Is the Chinese cascade. So I'll come back on Sunday to do a formal critique of what we have here. But if you're in the neighborhood and available, look at some trees, this might be for you. Again, it's this weekend at the Hunter Library from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock both days. I hope to see you guys there, man. If you do see me, say hi. I'll love to meet you guys. I'll talk to everybody later. Bye-bye.